This is the topic number 3.10.4 about modifying a list. We can modify a list using a function insert, index, append, pop, and remove functions. These are all built-in functions. The lesson goal is to insert item at specific position using insert function. Okay, here we can mention the position and then value that you want to insert on the list. Find the position of the value using index value. You can find the position of the value by using index function, and you can add in elements at the end of the list. And you can remove items from the list by using pop function. Okay. First of all, MyList.insert. MyList is the name of the list. .insert is a built-in function that takes two parameters. First parameter is I, second parameter is the value that you are going to be inserted on the list. I insert value 1 before position I. MyList.index, it takes one value and return index of the first value 1, error if not found, and if it is not able to find, then it will give you not found. MyList.append, it will append the value at the end of the list, and MyList.pop, remove and return the last item. MyList.remove value 1, remove the first occurrence of the value. For example, my list contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the elements in the list. Now you are going to be insert mylist.insert. This is position number 2. Okay, 5. Then what happened? They will insert on position 2. Okay, mean this is on 0 index, means you have the index number 1, 3, value 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 2, it will insert before of 2. 2 is there, before of 2, it will insert value that you have entered, mean that is 5 in case. Now new list will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, mean 1, 3, and new inserted value of 5, and then old value of 5, 7, 9. Index will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No means this 2 contains the new value that you have entered. Okay. First 5 index, they will display as it is, and mylist.index of 5. It will shows where it will say, it will give you the index number. The first 5 is on index number 2. Okay, I will show you using the programs. Okay, this is the list 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. L is the name of the list. L.insert, you are going to insert 2. You are going to insert 5 at position number 2. Insert 5 at index number 2. List L, and they will show the index of the items. List 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9. First 5. Now you want to find the index of first 5. They are showing me the index of first 5 is at 2. Now it's 0. This is 1. This is 2. They are showing at 2. If you want to see the index number of 7, what you will do? You can run the program, and you want to find the index of 7. When you will run this, it will show the index of 7. See, index of 7 is 4. You can see that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The index of 7 is 4. Next example is append. You can append the value at the end of the list, and pop, you can pop the value, remove the value from the end of the list. My list, suppose 10, 20, 30 is there. My list append 40, it will add it one more item at the end. Suppose you have list is 10, then 20, then 30, and now you have entered 40. Okay. After append, they will display the message and they will show the list. Remove my list dot pop, which is function is there append pop my list dot append my list dot pop. Okay, pop will return value, mean that value will return that will saved into remove, and then you can see that remove item is removed, and you can see that list now after removing my list is okay. You can after this when it will remove, the remaining list will become 10, 20 and 30. Okay, you can see that my list 10, my list append. After append, what will be the result? First you will see this result. Okay, 10, 20, 30. I'm going to run it again. See, after append, the value is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, after append it will show. If you want to append one more time, you are writing my list dot append and you are writing 50. Now you will run the program and check the output. It will show after append what are the list elements are there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and after this my list dot pop, it will remove one item. Okay, suppose you can write here my list dot pop. Okay, my list dot pop you have written here, and then you can see the output my list dot pop, then they will display the list. You are going to run the program. C1, you can see the output. After append, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is there. Now list now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 has been removed. Okay, 50 has been removed. What you will do, you can copy paste once again my list, Control C, and if I will run the program, what will be the output? Run. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. After running the function, the on line number, which line number? 6. Okay, line number 6. The remaining list is 10, 20, 30, 40. And when you will run line number 9 again, my list dot pop, now remaining is 10, 20, 30. If you will run it once again, it will remove one more item. Okay. Next one is remove versus pop. My list equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the list, and you are going to my list dot remove 4. Now it will remove 4. Okay, it will not remove at the end. Pop is used to remove at the end. Okay, remove 4. After remove, the list will be shown like this: 2, 4, 2, 6, 8. Then you will run my list dot pop 1. Once again you will run this, then it will display like this one. Suppose you have list 1. At this stage you have this list 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 at this stage. After this, you are removing this one, remaining elements are 2, 6 and 8 because 4 you have removed. Okay, print list, it will print this list 2, 4, 6, 8. My list dot pop 1, what happened? It will remove this element. Remaining element will be 2 and 6. Okay, after print, After pop, this will display as it is my list, and my list is 2 and 6. Output, this is the output. Next one is summary. Insert. The purpose of insert is to add item at a specific location. Append is used to append at the last. Pop is used to remove the elements from the last. Remove is used to remove the element from a specific position. Lists are mutable and can be modified any time. Multiple choice question number 1. My list dot insert 09 does what? At 9 at the end, at 9 at the start, replace item at an error. It will show add 9 at start. Question number 2. 2426 dot index number of this value is 0. It will display 0. If value not in my list, then index will raise its error. After my list dot insert 3 is the position 100, the length will increase by 1. Yes. Question number 5. Append add element at the end. At the end. That is option B. MyList.pop removes the element from the last. Mean last item. Multiple choice question number 7. MyList.remove 3 delete all 3 be first 3. Mean that element, that is first element, that is belongs to 3 digit, that will be deleted. Programming task number 1. Start with my list 1, 2, 3, 4 and insert 99 at index number 1. Print the new list. Okay. What you will do, you have, okay, see in this program, my list is 1, 2, 3, 4 and you are going to be insert 99 at position 1. When you will run the program, check the output. 1, position number 1 is 99. 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the program and output. This is the program and this is the output. You have inserted 99 at position 1. Next is programming task 2. Create my list 3739 and print index first 3. You are going to print first index 3 because you want to print this value. Okay, you want to print index of this value. Okay, then how you will do? Index number 3. Okay. Suppose same like is this 3. If you will run 3, for example, 3 is here or 3 is here. Okay, or even 3 is here. Then what happen when you will run this? It will give you 0. Index 0. Okay, suppose here is 1. 1 comma. Now what will be the output? Now in this case, when you will run this, now 3 is on index number 1. You will see 3 is on index number 1. Next is use append and pop to manage a list of objects. Okay, I have written this list, my list, with the name of with the value of math, English, and you are going to append physics. Then it will show print my list. Okay, and I'm not printing this one. When you will run this program, you can get the output math, English, physics, and again math, English, physics because I have printed 2 times. But when you will run before pop to print my list, then pop will remove the element from the list. Now you can see that math, English, physics and math, English is there. Okay. Next task is remove 4 from my list 2, 4, 6, 4, 8 using remove. definitely you will use remove to remove the element in between. Okay, otherwise you have to use pop function that will remove at the end. Okay, you have written this program. My list 2, 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, and now you can see that when you will run the program, the output is 2, 6, while you can see that here is 4 is there. 4 is there, but what happened? 4 and 8 is there. Remaining is 4 and 8. They have removed first 4. Okay, they have removed first 4 from the program. Next, task number 5, safely find a value using in before index. Now in this case, you have written this program. This is a program. Okay, and what you will do? My list is 2, 4, 6. You're writing if 10 in my list, then what happened? Then it will display the index of that 10. Otherwise, it will show 10 not found. I'm going to run the program. You can see that 10 not found. Output is 10 not found. Okay, but if you have written 10 inside the list, when you will run the program 10, they will find that 10 has been found at index number 3. Okay, you can write here that number, mean that number has been found at index number 3. Okay, you can also get from user defined. If you want to get user defined number, you write n integer input, enter the number that you are going to be find, enter the number that will store into value n, and now you are writing n, and it will shows that mean n has been found at location or position plus this value. Okay, you are going to run the program. Now this time you are going to search number 6. When you will run this, okay, the print n has been, because this one is integer and that one is this. Okay, no worries. You can convert into str string, or you can use the comma n in place of this comma, and here also you can use the comma. When you will run the program, check the output. Enter the number 6. They are showing me 6 has been found at location 3. You can see that 6. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, they are showing that position only. Okay, position 3. If you will run the if you will find 10, okay, you are entering 10. They are showing location 10 has been found at location 3. They are again, okay, sorry, because you are writing here n. Okay, in n. When you will run the program, see, you are going to be enter 10. They are showing me 10 has been found at location 3. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 3 location. Okay. When you will run it again program, and then try another position, another number, you are going to be search 4. When you will enter number 4, they are showing me 4 has been found at location 1. Means 0, this is 1. Okay, that's number 1. Okay, students, if you have any difficulty, please write me in comment. Okay, I will help you. If you want to get any video that you are facing any problem, please you can let me know. I will prepare according to that one.